Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the Align tool in 3D Max. This is perfect for aligning objects to a path quickly and easily. Let's start by drawing a few simple paths. Always try to keep the lines smoother. By default, the interpolation is set to 6. I recommend increasing it to 25 for smoother result. Watch how I do it. Now that we have our paths, let's create a box. Go to Geometry tab and set your desired dimension for the box. Let's head over to the Tools menu in the Tools bar and navigate to the Align tool. You will also see an option for Spacing tool. This is where things get really interesting. Select the object you want to align, in this case our box, and in the Spacing tool panel, you will see a Pick Path option. Go ahead and click it. Then select the path you drew earlier. As you can see, the box is now aligned to the path. And if you look closely, you might notice that the box isn't perfectly perpendicular to the path. To fix this, tick the Follow option in the panel. Everything looks fine now. Once you are happy with the alignment, hit Apply, close the panel. Let's try the same steps with the different path now, to make sure you have got the hang of it. One more thing, if you want to make the changes to multiple objects at once, use the Instance option. This way, any adjustment you will apply to all instances, making your workflow much faster. It's easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. And if you have got any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comment box below.